Hello everyone, I hope you are fine. Myself Kumar and I am a data analyst in Power BI and I have been working in this field for last 3 to 4 years and I have a great experience and knowledge in this field. And now I have worked in different organizations or in different companies and where I have research, analyze and visualize different type of data to help our business to grow up. And now I want to provide my services on this freelancing platforms. So now I want to describe my services, what I will provide and what you will expect someone that who says that he is a data analyst and what they provide. So I will tell you I have a good command index Power BI and I will solve all type of calculations, measurements, creation tables and so on, all requirements that user will provide according to her data and which type of data analysis they want. And I have also designed a dashboards and make reports for better understanding for the clients or the user. And I also tells you in which way your business is going. So this is the my short demo.